Welcome to Ascending DC channel. We are an AWS Certified Partner to provide cloud consulting and technical support to clients who are looking for cloud solutions to tackle the challenge in their day-to-day operations. This video is one of the many short videos we are producing. In each of them, we're going to demo and explain when used for AWS practice that can be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your work. All these tricks have been proved effective in our clients' success. If you are a project manager, DevOps, architect, software engineer, or just looking for useful cloud practice, this video is made for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Rio. Today, I'm with E to talk about how to customize Cloudfront delivery behavior through Lambda function. We have introduced Lambda function and serverless architecture in our previous videos. And this time, we'll focus on how Lambda can be used in front end. Cloudfront is a web service that speeds up distribution of your static and dynamic web content, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and image files. As the graph shows, Lambda function can be used as a variety of solutions. For example, it can be used to inspect cookies, to rewrite URL to different versions of a site for A/B testing. It can also be used to inspect headers or authorize a token, insert a corresponding header, and allowing access control before forwarding a request to the origin. Next, I will let E introduce how we can send different objects to your users based on the user agent headers, which contains information about the device that submitted the request.
Hello, everyone. Let's talk about user agent first. In HTTP, the user agent header is often used for content negotiation, where the origin server selects suitable content or operating parameters for the response. For example, automated Google crawling tools will use Googlebot as the header value. Therefore, we can send a crawler a simplified form of the web page instead of a regular one as part of SEO effort. If you are interested in how to optimize SEO on one-page JavaScript project, please refer the link in the description for more information. Anyway, the process of getting an HTML source page called a pre-render. Next, I will use Cloudformation to make a quick demo. First of all, we need to upload front-end web page to S3 bucket. Then secondly, we can manually create Cloudformation distribution to deliver these contents, or we can do it by Cloudformation template. In our demo, we will use Cloudformation. And in these templates, a Cloudformation distribution will be created. We have waited 5 minutes for the preparation of Cloudfront, and we can access the endpoint to get a web page in command line or Chrome. It will return the same results with or without user agent head. We can have a try. We can curl this domain without user agent header. And then we can try curl it with user agent header. As you can see, they will return the same result. Next, we will add a Lambda function in viewer request to recognize user agent header. We will also add a Lambda function in origin request to acquire pre-render web page. The Cloudformation template has been updated successfully, and 2 Lambda functions have been created. Now, we can curve the Cloudfront with and without user agent header. And we can see how the return results are different. So, as you can see, when we curve the endpoint with user agents, Google bots, the return results will be different. According to this demonstration, we have used the Lambda function to recognize user agent header and return corresponding simplified content. Lambda can be triggered by Cloudfront at 4 points. That's why we can build a variety of solutions with Lambda and Cloudfront.
As we mentioned before, Lambda can also be integrated with Cloudfront in other scenarios. Please view our ascending video for more detail. And I will also include all the example has been mentioned in this video in the description. Thank you, everyone, and I see you next time. Bye.
Please leave your comments, questions, critiques to us so we know you are watching. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ascending DC, and stay tuned for our next video. See you next week.